Hey, welcome back. This is just a quick video to show you guys how to quickly replace a new first alert smoke and carbon monoxide detector. This one doesn't work anymore because it keeps beeping for no reason. But anyways, how do you take it off? You just turn and unplug. That's how you take the old one off. I'm going to push the button to make sure there's no more sound in it so it doesn't keep beeping. But that's it. And because the battery's dead in it too. But anyways, to get a new one, they gave me a SMIC 0100 AC combination alarm, which the previous one was also a combination alarm. So we're gonna really quick. You don't need really anything except a screwdriver. That's pretty easy. You do have to remove this bracket and put the new one in, but you can use your original screws. So you just put this in. Kind of back out the screw just a little bit so this thing turns. Take this side, back out this screw, just a little bit. Don't even have to back it out that much, and you turn, take out the old one. Now we put the new one in. This is a new one. Find the same exact holes where the screw is, and it kind of just fits. Kind of, let me try to get this thing, there you go. Kind of just fits, and all you have to do is just turn it right there and tighten the screws back up. That is how easy it is to replace this. Screw the screws back in so it's kind of tight. You don't need it too tight. Oops. There we go. Just sitting it in there. There you go. Don't be too tight so you don't crack the plastic. Now all you have to do is this tab right here. Pull that out for the battery, and take your old one, put this, and you don't even have to replace this wire right here. Just put that in, and now take this in and lock it in. Why isn't it locking in? Try it again. Come on, why aren't you locking? There you go. Locked in. There you go. That's how you put it in. Quick and simple. All right. Hope you liked my explanation. Have a good day.